If you're looking for wall clocks for girls, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wall clocks for girls. Number 1, most popular, by Key Store. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Mehousa. Number 3, by Hito. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hito. Number 5, by Vinyl Evolution. Find these wall clocks for girls at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Handmade Solutions EU. Number 7, by Hito. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Vinyl Evolution. Number 9, by Black Forest. Discover more wall clocks for girls ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Trend Lab.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.